another topic. So, do we understand why us as humans we are normally in disarray? Yeah. Because if you look at the birds, the animals, and all the living creatures who are in their natural environment, they live perfectly in harmony, isn't it? Because that's the place that was created for them, and they are perfectly okay in their natural habitat. But for us as humans, we are always moving around. Even you find people in the pursuit of financial independence, for example, or the pursuit of money. Yeah, they will do things. They will start this business and stop. It doesn't work. They will start something else. It doesn't work. They will experiment something else. Why is that? So they try and move their energies into different forms, and that's because energy is never lost or created. It's always there. It just moves from one form into another. So we try and move it between forms. But the difference between us and all these other creatures is that as humans, we've been given the ability to create, which means we can actually put that energy into whatever form that we need or to put it into. Yeah? So we are creators by nature, which basically means we can create whatever kind of life that we need. Yeah? As creators. So for example, if you decide, for example, you want to pack up and go and live in Mexico, for example, as humans we can do that. Yeah, organize our stuff and move. If you decide, for example, you want to live like you were lost in the Christian aspect of things and you want to live by faith, you can do that as humans. Yeah? You can, for instance, if you want to, you believe you've been called, you can become a priest or a pastor and lead a flock, as they are called. So we can mutate and change into whatever world that we create, whatever form we want to put our energies into. And that's a fascinating concept, because it basically means from wherever we are, we can literally change our being from where we are now into something that we create or design for ourselves. So that's the power of human beings, yeah? And that's something that other creatures do not have. So interesting thought, something worth bearing in mind, yeah? Because that's very powerful to think about.